Last seen setting outright records at Goodwood, meet the production version of McMurtry's fully electric spaceship. Developed by McMurtry Automotive, a British startup founded by Sir David McMurtry. Speirling is Irish for thunderstorm, hinting at its potential. Looks like a miniature Batmobile, sounds like a TIE fighter from Star Wars, goes like the absolute clappers. The McMurtry Spéirling, last seen kicking up dust and shredding Hilclan records at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, has been tinkered with and is now available to buy for a cool £984,000. The new Spéirling Pure comes with all the goodies Max Chilton deployed at Goodwood. That means a twin electric motor setup powered by a 60 kWh battery system deploying 745 kilowatts of electrons or a nice, round 1000 brake horsepower on the rear axle. It reached 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-blowing 1.4 seconds. Together with a patented downforce on-demand system and a scarcely believable curb weight of under 1,000 kilograms, this thing is capable of serious numbers. Twin fans suck air from under the car and blast it out the back, generating significant downforce even at low speeds. This allows for sharper cornering and unconventional racing lines. Not just 190 miles per hour flat out, but also 3G through the corners and the ability to lap Silverstone 10 times at proper flat out pace, then recharge in 20 minutes to do it all over again. It holds the outright hill record at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. It is not available for street driving, it's a track-only machine. That's all for today, see you in another video.